So welcome to Nano Scientific Research Center, Hyderabad branch. So here we had a look on sudden pedestrian detection project. So here the components what we are using is ARM9 processor. So where we are using like the operating system will be Linux. So and this is the camera where it is supporting like USB camera where the support of a UVC driver. So here we have a driver RC like it is connected to the DC motor. Here in this project, in this DC motor we are assuming as a car. So initially like so it is in a running condition, so we don't have any like a pedestrian detection. So whenever we have the detection of any human being or any like we can call it as a pedestrian. So if it is going to be detected, automatically it is going to be stopped. So let's have a look on this. So this is the thing. This is assuming as a car, and this camera we are going to arrange in the real-time process in front of the camera. So where it is going to detect pedestrians. So whether the pedestrian is detected or not. Let's have a look on this screen, touch screen. So here there is no pedestrian right now. So we are having like a blank box over there with a green light. So yellow box, we are having yellow box, so where there is no pedestrian. So let us have a look like, so with the pedestrian, so if the pedestrian will detect it, automatically this motor is going to stop. So where it indicates that the car is going to be stopped suddenly. So see this. So here in this yellow box, the human being is detected, which is we can call it as a pedestrian. So here the motor is automatically, it is in a stop condition. Now it is running like. So if the pedestrian is cleared, so again it will go for the running condition.